Roti Bakar. Yeah, Roti Bakar. Yes. Have dua? Hi, how are you? I'm good. Hi. So, on impulse, I decided to get a couple of these sandwiches. Roti Bakar over there. Oh, hello. Hello. So I'm not sure what he makes them with. I guess we'll find out. I don't know if it's like a hamburger or just cheese and egg. We'll find out in a minute. But I'm right beside his school, and they go to school on Saturdays as well. So everybody's come to watch. Hi. So here's the setting, the river, one bridge over there. As I said, the river curves around so you get open views. And then, hello. Roti sandwich, Roti Bakar. There's the school, Kementarian Agama. Yeah.
With some Bakar.
Little fish. Not sure if he's trying to catch the fish or what he's doing. Oh, what in the world? He caught it so easily.
Punishment.
Yeah, little boys, you know. They're hunters. All right, let's gotta go across the road. Here we go. Ada. Berapa harganya? Okay. Terima kasih. But I have this one too. I have dua. Satu, dua. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Put my hook there.
My name is Nizam.
Nice to...
My name is Nata.
Nata? My name is Douglas. Douglas.
What's your name?
My name is Douglas. Douglas. I am from Canada.
What's your name?
My name is Douglas.
Pak, bisa punya nang Pak.
Come on. There we go.
Bisa bahasa Indonesia.
There we go. You are from Indonesia?
Ya. Bisa. Betul, my name is Nizam. Dari mana you? You dari mana?
Canada.
Apa itu?
I'm from Canada.
Canada. You bisa bahasa Indonesia. You bisa bahasa Indonesia.
No, I can't speak Indonesian.
Nggak bisa.
No.
You orang Kanada nih. You handsome. You handsome. Tunggu. What handsome?
What's that?
What you handsome? You handsome.
Am I handsome? I don't think so.
I don't know you. I know you.
Excuse me. There we go. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So who's behind me?